its product falling into the wrong hands. The rapid rise of JUUL and the subsequent surge in teen vaping sparked a public health crisis. What began as a seemingly harmless alternative to cigarettes quickly revealed itself as a gateway drug for a new generation of nicotine addicts. Teenagers, lured by JUUL's marketing and flavors, were becoming addicted to nicotine at alarming rates, unaware of the potential long-term health risks associated with vaping. Hospitals and clinics reported a surge in young patients presenting with respiratory problems, coughs, and chest pain, all linked to vaping. The long-term effects of inhaling the heated chemicals and metals found in vape juice remain largely unknown, raising concerns about potential lung damage, cardiovascular disease, and even cancer in the future. The public health community scrambled to respond, launching awareness campaigns about the dangers of vaping and calling on policymakers to implement stricter regulations on e-cigarettes. The crisis extended beyond the physical health of young people, impacting their mental and social well-being as well. Teenagers addicted to nicotine often experience mood swings, anxiety, and difficulty concentrating, affecting their academic performance and relationships with family and friends. The social pressure to vape, fueled by JUUL's marketing, and the normalization of vaping among peers created a challenging environment for teenagers to navigate, pressuring them to participate in a potentially harmful activity. As the public health crisis unfolded, JUUL faced mounting legal and regulatory challenges. Lawsuits piled up, alleging that the company had knowingly marketed its products to teenagers, downplayed the risks of vaping, and fueled a national epidemic of youth nicotine addiction. Parents, school districts, and even state governments joined the legal battle, seeking to hold JUUL accountable for the harm inflicted on communities across the country. The FDA, tasked with regulating tobacco products, came under fire for its slow response to the rise of JUUL and the subsequent teen vaping epidemic. Critics argued that the agency had failed to adequately regulate e-cigarettes, allowing JUUL to thrive with minimal oversight. In response to mounting pressure, the FDA implemented stricter regulations on e-cigarettes, including banning flavored pods, restricting online sales, and requiring stricter age verification for purchases. Despite these efforts, JUUL's legacy as a cautionary tale remains. The company's meteoric rise and subsequent fall serve as a stark reminder of the power of marketing, the importance of corporate responsibility, and the need for vigilance in protecting public health, particularly when it comes to the well-being of young people.